Hey guys, so as you know, I'm traveling around the Pacific Northwest, taking some video logs and pictures of all the cool areas up here. One of the things I'm doing is taking videos and pictures of all the waterfalls in the entire Pacific Northwest. This one's called Lowerfalls in the Mount St. Helens National Park. It's really cool, but check this out, you'll love this. Recommend you guys coming out and check this waterfall. You're gonna love it out here, guys. All right, until the next waterfall, see ya.